Ladies and gentlemen, you truly are in for a treat today.
If you're watching this, you probably have an emergency, and you've probably been struggling in the past to close your first client. That's why you passed thousands of hours on YouTube watching videos on how to close your first client. And after finding zero success, you bought this guy course or this guy course, basically spending all your money that your parents give you for Christmas. After countless of hours watching the course and taking notes, you apply those tips that basically say hire a media buyer from God's nowhere, and also sending looms like crazy. So you send literally 1,000 looms like crazy, and you're still wondering if the delivery is wrong. But it's basically that you have the same agency, the same scripts, the same website, all the same like the other 1,000 people that have taken the same course. That's why you do not succeed, because you are not unique. But here I am, just about to save your smma journey. But before, I had to say a couple of things. Number one is give it a like, because it supports me a lot and it helped me a lot. And I know that you want these videos. And also my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you subscribe, I'll appreciate it a lot. I'm offering you guys two solutions. Just basically keep with your e-commerce MMA, struggling to get clients, and eventually quit. And the second solution for me is just pass to lead generation agencies, join the lead generation army, and succeed in SMMA and achieve all your goals and financial freedom. So you choose which one of these ones you want. That was my take on the SMMA niche, and from now on I'll be uploading high quality videos, not like in the past. And also after this video I will be your best YouTuber of reference on SMMA, and also I'll be appearing in your feed daily and always forever until you subscribe.